Hello, today we will start exercise 4C, fourth question. Fourth question, A part. So for the time being, do one thing. You have to pause the video after some time. Do read the question first. Try to understand and try to solve it first. And then you can resume the video. So as the question says, the product of two rational numbers is minus 12 upon 13. So we are having one rational number and other rational number. So their product is minus 12 upon 13. The first line says the product of two rational numbers is minus 12 upon 13 equal to minus 12 upon 13. Now if one of the rational number is 8 upon 15. So one of the rational number is 8 upon 15. The other rational number we do not know, that we have to find. So we have to find this rational number. So the question is given 8 upon 15. So let the other rational number be x. So 8 upon 15, this is one rational number. It is multiplied with x. This we have to calculate, and their product is equal to minus 12 upon 13. This is being given in question. The product of two rational number is minus 12 upon 13. Now try to solve it yourself. So 8 upon 15 into x equal to minus 12 upon 15. As we take this from LHS to RHS, the multiplication will become divide here. So here it is multiplied, here it will be dividing. So x equal to minus 12 upon 13 divided by 8 upon 15. This is clear? X equal to minus 12 upon 13 divided by 8 upon 15. Now minus 12 upon 13, when we are multiplying, we have to take the reciprocal of this. Denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. It will be 15 upon 8. Now see here, we can cancel something. So 4 2 ja 4 3 ja, that is minus 3. So x value will be minus 3 into 15, it will be minus 45 divided by 13 into 2, that is 26. So the other number is, other rational number is minus 45 upon 26. Now try to solve the B part and C part. You can pause the video and solve the B part and C part. After that, we will be discussing fifth A. So now next question, fifth A I am discussing. So the question says, by what rational number should minus 8 by 25 be divided to get 3 upon 10? So by what rational number should minus 8 upon 25? This should be divided. This has to be divided so that result becomes 3 upon 10. We get 3 upon 10. So by what number this is to be divided? So we get this. So let the number be x. So this has to be divided by x to get 3 upon 10. So we have to find this rational number. By what rational number this has to be divided? So we can get 3 upon 10. Now next step will be minus 8 upon 25. It is dividing. If we take it on this side, it will become multiplication, equal to 3 upon 10 into x. Now you can take on that side. If you take that on this one side, it will be dividing. Minus 8 upon 25 divided by 3 upon 10 into equal to x. Now we can change the sides. X equal to minus 8 upon 25 divided by 3 upon 10. X equal to minus 8 upon 25, and we are changing the sign. This will, we have to take the reciprocal of this one, 10 upon 3. So 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. X equal to minus 16 upon 15. This is the result. So that number will be this. So when we are dividing this number by minus 16 upon 15, the result will be 3 upon 10. You can check as well by putting this number here and then solve it. You will get 3 upon 10. Now B part, do it yourself. I will be solving C part. By what number minus 4 has to be divided? This has to be divided by what number? So that we get 8 upon 15. So by what number minus 4 has to be divided? So that we get 8 upon 15. So let that number be x. Let that number be x. So minus 4 divided by x equal to 8 upon 15. So minus 4 divided by x equal to 8 upon 15. And if we take this on this side, it will become minus 4 equal to 8 upon 15 into x, or minus 4 if we take this on this side divided by 8 upon 15 equal to x, or we can write x equal to minus 4 divided by 8 upon 15, x equal to minus 4 into 15 upon 8, 4 2 ja, x equal to minus 15 upon 2. So this is the number. By this number we will be dividing minus 4 to get 8 upon 15. Now pause the video and try to solve the sixth question. Pause the video and try to solve the sixth question yourself. Now sixth question. So in sixth question we are provided two rational numbers, that is 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 7. And the question says divide the sum of these two numbers by their difference. So their sum has to be divided by their difference. The sum of these two numbers is to be divided by their difference. This we have to calculate. So two rational numbers are provided and we have to calculate their sum. Their difference we have to calculate, then sum has to be divided by their difference. Divide the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 7 by their difference. So sum will be written as 2 by 3 plus minus 1 upon 7 divided by 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 7. So this is the sum of these two rational numbers. This is the difference of these two rational numbers. And this sum has to be divided by their difference. So first we will be solving the brackets. So here LCM will be taking 21 will be the LCM. 3 7s are 21. 2 7s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So in numerator it will be minus 3. Or you can write simply minus 3 divided by, again the LCM will be 21. Here it will be 14, minus minus becomes plus, plus 3. Here 14 plus minus 3, it is 14 minus 3, that is 11 upon 21 divided by 17 upon 21. So it will be 11 upon 21 into 21 upon 17. So they get cancelled, 21 get cancelled, and we are getting 11 upon 17. So this is our answer. So first bracket has to be solved. Bracket has to be solved first, then we'll apply division operation. So sum has to be divided by their difference. Now again pause the video and try to solve the seventh question. Seventh question says divide the sum of two numbers by the product of other two numbers. So for example we are provided 5 upon 8 and 13 upon 12. Their sum we have to take. So this will be the sum. This sum has to be divided by the product of other two numbers, divided by product of 2 by 3 into 27 upon 8. So these two numbers we have to take sum. These two numbers product we have to take. These two rational numbers product we have to take, and these two numbers sum we have to take, and then this sum is to be divided by the product of these two numbers. Divide the sum of these two numbers by the product of these two numbers. Divide the sum of these two rational numbers by the product of these two numbers. So it will be written in such expression. Now next step will be, first we will be solving the brackets. Brackets need to be solved first, then the division operation. So here take the LCM, it will be 24. Now 8 3s are 24, so here we will get 15, 5 3s are 15, 12 2s are 24, so 13 2s are 26, divided by product of them. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Similarly 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we are getting 9 divided by 4. Next step, add them, it will be 5 plus 6 11, 1 2 3 4 41. So 15 plus 26 41 upon 24. Now it is divide. If we convert the operation to multiplication, we have to take reciprocal of 9 by 4. So reciprocal, it will be 4 by 9, 4 by 9. Now 2 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24. So what we are getting, 41 upon 9 6 are 54. So this is the answer. So 8th first, we have to fill in the blanks. It is given first one, 8 upon 27 divided by equal to minus 4 upon 9. Try to solve it. So you can see 8 upon 27 divided by, we have to find that number, let it be x. So this x will be, x we have to calculate, 8 upon 27 divided by x equal to minus 4 upon 9. It will be 8 upon 27, take x on this side, division becomes multiplication, minus 4 upon 9 into x. Now 8 upon 27, if we are taking this number on LHS, from RHS we take, it will become division, divided by minus 4 upon 9 equal to x. 8 upon 27 into 9 upon minus 4. You can write as well minus 9 upon 4, anyway you can write. So numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. This is equal to x. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 1s are, that will be minus 1, here it will be 2. So what answer we are getting, x equal to minus 2 upon 3, or you can write 2 upon minus 3 or minus 2 upon 3. So either these two are mainly preferred in writing. Now I'll be taking this one, third one. So this number has to be divided by minus 8, and we are getting minus 25 upon 12. So we have to find this number. Let it be x, x divided by minus 8 equal to minus 25 upon 12. X equal to minus 25 upon 12. Here it is dividing on, if we take it on RHS, it will be multiplied into minus 8. Now 4 2s are, that is minus 2, it will be 4 3s are. X equal to minus minus becomes plus, 25 into 2 50 upon 3. So this is the result. Try to solve the rest of the questions. So 4 to 8, try to solve those questions.